Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car polisher in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car polisher that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Black & Decker WP 906-inch Random Orbit Waxer Polisher. The Black & Decker WP 900 was designed with ergonomics in mind. It's lightweight, which means you don't have to worry about holding up a heavy machine. It also has 2 handles, allowing you to buff from all angles. As with other tools on our list, this buffer is backed by a warranty. If it stops working within 2 years, you can contact the company for a replacement. In addition to the warranty, the Black & Decker buffer comes with a foam applicator and polishing bonnets. Even though the Black & Decker WP 906-inch Random Orbit Waxer Polisher isn't overly expensive, it's certainly one of the best car buffers on the market. Featuring a lightweight and slim design, this car buffer is highly maneuverable. Our only real issue with this car buffer is the fact that it features just one singular speed setting. This ultimately means it cannot perform each stage of the buffing process as well as a multi-speed car buffer could. Customers say this product is lightweight and quiet in comparison to other car buffers. They also like the 2-handle design because it allows users to buff from different angles. Some have complained that the buffer vibrates a lot during use and that it doesn't perform well if you put product on the polishing pads. Moving on at number 4. We have the Makita 9237C 10-amp 7-inch variable speed polisher sander. You have 3 choices when it comes to buying this polisher. You can buy it as a kit by itself or as a kit with an extra pad. We recommend buying it as a kit because you'll save money in the long run. Professionals use this polisher all around the world. However, it's also great for beginners as it's easy to operate. The handle is made of rubber, which helps prevent your hand from slipping after long periods of use. You'll also be glad to hear this polisher has a variable speed dial and trigger, allowing you to clean a variety of vehicles, including boats. The Makita 9237C features wire mesh covers to protect bits of wool from entering the motor, keeping it in pristine condition for years to come. If your fingers begin to get tired, you can use the auto lock feature, which keeps the polisher running without needing to press the button. Customers have said this polisher has lasted them years without any issues, even when using it for 5 to 8 hours a day, a proof of the quality Makita provides its customers. At number 3, we have the TORQX BUF_503X Random Polisher Kit with pads. You can choose to buy this polisher by itself or as a kit. If you're looking to clean your car, we recommend buying it as a kit, ensuring it has everything you need to get the job done correctly. If you choose the 503X kit, you'll receive a dual-action polisher, 3 pads, and a sample of 4 different compounds designed to help remove scratches from vehicles. This polisher provides the 700 W of power to ensure your car is looking brand new for months to come. It's easy to use for beginners and experienced detailing enthusiasts. This machine can also wax, scrub, and clean your car all in one. Can it get any better? Yes, it can, because you'll also be able to switch between different plates depending on the size of the area you're trying to clean. The Torque also comes with cooling vents that send air through the handle, cooling the motor and buffer head and ensuring durability. A great benefit of the Torque Polisher Kit is it features a safety support ridge into the top of the case, preventing it from falling over when not in use. At number 2, we have the Porter Cable 7424XP Variable Speed Polisher. When purchasing this polisher, you'll have the option to add a pressure gauge or pad to your order. It's 4.5 amp and has a variable speed dial ranging from 2,500 to 6,800 OPM, more than enough to give your car the polish it deserves. It's extremely lightweight, weighing only 5 pounds. Thus, it's easy to hold up for long periods when polishing. You'll also be able to add 5/16 to 24 spindle thread accessories if required. The handle is what makes this polisher shine. You'll be able to detach and reattach it on either side of the polisher, a great feature if you're left-handed or need a change after a while. The pad that comes with this polisher is made of lamb's wool and ensures your car looks glossy and damage-free. It has a 6-inch diameter and is designed for a wide range of surfaces. You can also attach this pad to most regular orbit polishers. The Porter polisher comes with a manufacturer's warranty. However, you'll have to request it through Amazon. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT DWP849X Buffer Polisher. If you're looking for the best car polisher for beginners, then DEWALT won't disappoint with this powerful 12.0 amp buffer polisher. You have the option to purchase this polisher as cordless or corded. We recommend sticking with the cordless option, as the last thing you want is to be tangled in leads while trying to polish your car. The variable speed dial allows a speed between 600 and 3500 RPM, making it suitable for different polishing techniques. Moreover, the polisher features wool ingestion shields, which increase the lifetime and prevent unnecessary repair costs. You'll also benefit from a lightweight design, 6.7 pounds, which makes polishing your car for long periods a lot easier. It has a bail handle and a traditional side handle, allowing for superior grip and comfort. The rear handle is covered with a rubber layer that helps prevent your hand from slipping while further increasing comfort. There is also the benefit of a 90-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year free service contract, and a 3-year limited warranty. Purchasing this polisher is essentially risk-free. If you don't like it for whatever reason, return it within 90 days and get your money back.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.